Hello, my name's Jon Lyman. I'm the Vice President of Critical Infrastructure and Data Centers for Vision Technologies. And I have the privilege of leading the best team in the industry when it comes to the data center space, construction installations, and day two support. We've been looking at a lot of recent trends in the data center market as of late. There's been exponential growth. I don't think anybody can deny that. And largely it's due to machine learning and AI facilities being built, both at the hyperscale level, the enterprise level, as well as the colos or the MTDCs. We are seeing a convoluted definition of what a data center used to be relative to what we called it before, hyper colo enterprise. We're seeing a lot more at the edge, of course, but we're also seeing the hyperscalers themselves purchase a lot of the real estate available to them via the colos, acting as sole tenants on long-term leases. So as a result, a lot of our organizations like mine have had to modify the way that we go to market and the way that we package our deliverables to make them more effective to you as a data center end user. The market forecast doesn't look to be slowing down at any time in the next 3 to 5 years, with computing intensity currently doubling every 6 to 10 months. And we can't forecast any slowdown, especially as AI ML transitions into quantum computing in the very near future. Rapid growth of AI and ML poses opportunity for evolution in this space for you, for us, for everybody. Industry-wide, you're going to see a lot of consistent challenges. You're going to see some local ones restricted to specific geographies as well. The main 3 categories of the challenges and the opportunities now being presented to us reside in 3 different places: power, cooling, and construction. On the power side, there are some geographic regions that there's an availability problem. There's just too much demand for not enough power. Certain regions are sorting that out now. It might present itself in new markets in the near future as a result of growth. We'll keep an eye on that. But otherwise, it's a generation focus. There's going to be a continued focus, of course, on conventional grid power. There's going to be a renewed focus, and a new focus rather, on natural gas and hydrogen power development, and even nuclear options at this point are being developed. From the cooling perspective, conventional hack and CAC systems are not typically keeping up with the output of many AI and ML applications at this time. You're going to continue to see air cooling out there. However, immersion cooling at the rack and cooling direct to the chip, you're going to see a lot more of that just based off of the need to keep up and based off of the amount of heat that these systems are putting out there. The big thing that we can focus on from Vision Technologies that you're likely experiencing is on the construction, on the installation side. There's labor issues, there's material issues, and there's quality and delivery issues, especially at scale. On the labor and quality side, we view those 2 things as very intertwined. There's availability in the growth market geographies, just not a lot of people out there. It's difficult to get our hands on good folks. We have a good solution for that. Consistency to fulfill deliverables across a program nationwide. Certain customers like to see things a certain way in all different geographies enterprise-wide. We've got a solution for that. And the trade management of multiple disciplines. With the scale and the installations as they're currently undergoing, managing multiple trades can be very challenging for a general contractor or for a data center end user. We've got a potential solution for that as well. And then, of course, on the back end, after installation and turnover, day 2 support for any moves, adds, and changes. And the final challenge that we're experiencing is largely related to material. Some manufacturers are having a challenge keeping up the pace with the demand that's currently being asked on certain fiber applications, especially specific fiber, high-count fiber applications that are pre-terminated. Vision Technologies is able to provide many solutions to many of the challenges that we talked about before. Most notably, we'd like to focus on the installation, construction, the day 2 support within your facility. Vision Technologies has the ability to scale nationwide with experienced technicians currently in the space, currently working with hyperscalers, currently working across the programs. We also have the ability to act as a mini general contractor to manage multiple disciplines for a turnkey solution, to have yet one hand to shake on your side of the equation. Makes it much easier to manage the projects nationwide. From a capabilities perspective, Vision Technologies is, of course, in the infrastructure installation for both ISP and OSP fiber, copper applications, as well as hack and CAC systems and cooling rack migrations. Power inside the hall is typically where we like to say, but that includes whips, breakers, headers, UPSs, PDUs, and overhead busways. We also, of course, have the rest of the portfolio available to you as well on the electronic security side, the audio-visual side, and the Wi-Fi DAS piece of the business. We specialize in emergency responder radios, cellular amplification, as well as wireless access points. If you have any questions, please visit visiontechnologies.com to contact my team and I. We'd be happy to talk to you about more.